Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about RunGum subscription cancellation. How you can cancel your subscription if you have taken any kind of subscription on RunGum. Okay, so basically you need to visit on their official website and you can see there is an option like manage your subscription. First of all, you need to log in into your account. Okay, so once you click on manage your subscription, you will redirect it on this window like customer portal login, and you need to enter your email ID. Once you enter your email ID, which email ID? The email ID which you have created your account or which you have taken any kind of subscription, you need to provide that one email ID. Okay, so once you enter your email ID, you need to click on send link. Once you click on send link, you can like a mail they will send on your email address. You need to check out this email, and in the email maybe you will not find in the email in the you can say like inbox. You need to check updates or you need to check spam folder. Okay, and once you can like find out this email, you need to click on cancellation subscription management link, and you can cancel your subscription by using that link very easily. Okay, so this is the you can like tutorial how you can manage your subscription on RunGum. So if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. So thanks for watching this video and bye bye.